how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. Okay, so to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers, all we have to do is divide. So divide by long division. So let's try example number 1, convert 11 over 9 to mixed number. So divide lang natin. So we have 11 divided by 9. So 11 divided by 9, so that's equal to 1. 1 times 9, that is equal to 9. And then subtract 11 minus 9 is 2. So the quotient, so this is the whole number of the mixed number, and the remainder is the numerator. So just copy the denominator 9. So 11 over 9, that is equal to 1 and 2 over 9. So 1 and 2 over 9. Okay, so next number, number 2, we have 61 over 3. So to convert to mixed number, so we just divide 61 divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3, that is equal to 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract, so that is 0. Bring down 1. 1 divided by 3, so that is 0. 0 times 3 is 0, so the remainder is 1. So therefore, 61 over 3 is equal to the quotient 20, and then the remainder is the numerator. So we have 1 over 3. 61 over 3 is equal to 20 and 1/3 in mixed number. Okay, so next we have 20 over 8. Okay, so to convert this to mixed number, pwedeng i-lowest term na muna agad natin. Or pwede rin sa final answer na natin i-lowest term. Okay, so try natin i-diretso na i-convert ito. So just divide by long division, 20 divided by 8. So 20 divided by 8, so that's equal to 2. 2 times 8 is 16. And then subtract, the remainder is 20 minus 16 is equal to 4. So the quotient is, or 20 over 8 in mixed number is the quotient. So that's the whole number 2. And then remainder, so we have 4 over the denominator, 2 and 4 over 8. So we can reduce this to lowest term. We can divide 4 and 8 by 4. So divide both by 4. The final answer is 2. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Final answer is 2 and 1/2. So, itry nyo naman ang number 4. Comment your answer.